I think we have time for another joke. This also is a very classical joke. It is first told to me by my friend Raj Gupta. Please hold your applause to the end. It is about... No, I don't want to ruin it for you. A horse with a long face walks into a bar. Then bartender said, would you like to have a beverage? And the horse said, and you must understand that this is a universe where horses and people can mingle in establishments such as a bar and communicate with each other. So the horse said, yes, I would like a beverage. Okay. Then the bartender said, why do you have a long face? And the horse replied, it is genetics. Because my long face comes from my mother's side. Actually, you know, both his parents had long faces because they were both horses, long face. So when you mix one long face parent with another, the offspring will of course be long face. So they discussed this all night. And you can discuss it too amongst yourselves. Raj Gupta and I would laugh so much about equine genetics. So, discuss away and I'll...